What if I told you the next iPhone wasn't designed by Apple's engineers, but by artificial intelligence? What would it look like? How would it work? At AI Zen, we reveal AI tools you didn't know existed. Tap, like, share, subscribe, and don't skip. The ending will shock you. And could AI actually predict the future of smartphones better than us? Well, I teamed up with an AI to answer exactly that. And the results are going to blow your mind. It all started when I stumbled upon an incredible AI research paper that was able to reimagine a new generation of products, based on millions of online descriptions and images. But I had my own question. What would the next iPhone look like according to AI? To find out, I used an exciting new AI tool called Leonardo AI. It uses the same underlying technology that powers tools like Midjourney and ChatGPT, but instead of generating images or text, it creates high-quality renders of products from text prompts. Think of it like combining the creativity of Midjourney with the precision of a Photoshop mockup tool. It is completely free to use, and all you need to do is type in a text description of your product and then choose which of these concepts you like best. Leonardo AI will then render a photorealistic mockup for you. But enough talk. Let me show you some of the most amazing AI-generated iPhone concepts that will make you question whether we're reliving in the future or not. First up, take a look at this. What if the entire surface of your iPhone could be a seamless display? This mind-bending design flips the traditional smartphone front and back. And in this concept, the camera module disappears into the black bezel that surrounds the screen. Notifications, apps, and calls appear to float in three-dimensional space, creating a sense of depth that challenges our understanding of flat versus 3D objects. This new iPhone design makes you question, if everything is front, then what is front? This other concept takes transparency to a whole new level. It's like looking inside a computer chip. This iPhone seems to have been sliced open, revealing its inner workings. You can see layers of circuitry and components beneath the display. This design highlights the complexity and engineering that goes into a smartphone. You'd probably never guess what's inside without looking. But this is nothing compared to this futuristic iPhone that looks straight out of science fiction. It has no visible front or back. It seems almost alien-like with important information projected outwards from its curved surface. This design makes you question how we interact with devices and how we perceive them in 3D space. We've always assumed that phones need to be flat and symmetrical, but maybe the future is curved. This iPhone concept is truly mesmerizing. You've probably heard of foldable phones, but this device pushes the idea to a whole new level. It's almost like a transformer. When folded, it becomes compact enough to fit into a pocket, but then bam, it unfolds to reveal a massive display. It's like having two iPhones side by side that can fold together seamlessly. It combines the portability of a small phone with the functionality of a tablet. And speaking of displays, check out this iPhone with multiple curved surfaces. Each one shows different parts of an app or piece of content. It's almost like a mini IMAX theater in your hands. This design uses geometry to create a visual feast. These concepts are more than just pretty pictures. They explore entirely new ways to use a smartphone. For example, imagine walking into a room with this iPhone. It projects a holographic version of the person standing in the room. You can walk around the 3D model and interact with it. It's like a virtual meeting in real life. And get this, the iPhone detects your emotions and facial expressions and translates them into the hologram. The result is a lifelike representation that feels eerily human. Now that's AI taking things to a whole new level. But the wildest concept yet is still to come. Check out this iPhone that seems to have its outer shell made of liquid metal. It ripples and flows like water, defying our expectations of what a smartphone should look like. It seems almost alive. There's something hypnotic about watching it move and change shape. It makes you wonder if smartphones can have a soul. Okay, so you've seen some of the craziest iPhone concepts generated by AI. But here's the thing, I think you'll agree with this. Smartphones today already feel like they have a little bit of AI magic in them. Face ID unlocks your phone with a scan of your face. Siri responds to your voice commands and learns your preferences over time. Camera apps apply intelligent filters and automatically detect faces and objects to help you capture the perfect shot. AI is already making our phones smarter and more intuitive, so it's not hard to imagine how AI could shape the next generation of devices. Who knows? Maybe someday we'll have phones that can understand our emotions, or even have their own consciousness. But while that may sound like science fiction, it's not too far-fetched when you consider how quickly AI is advancing. Who am I kidding? The future of smartphones will be truly extraordinary. So let's keep dreaming up new possibilities and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. After all, anything that seems impossible today may become reality tomorrow. Alright, so now that you've seen what AI thinks the next iPhone will look like, let's talk about how you can use Leonardo AI to design your own futuristic gadgets. First, head over to the website and click the Start Creating button. Then you can choose from various categories like phone, laptop, tablet, car, and more. We'll stick with phone for now. Next, type in a description of your ideal iPhone. For example, I'll try a futuristic iPhone with a transparent display and holographic user interface. Then click Generate and watch as Leonardo AI creates multiple mock-up images of your futuristic iPhone. You can zoom in and out, rotate the image, and even change the background. Once you've got the perfect shot, simply click Download and save the image to your computer. It's that easy. So go ahead and play around with Leonardo AI. Create wacky, fun, and futuristic concepts. You can even sign up for an account to save your creations. And hey, while you're at it, make sure to share your coolest designs in the comments below. We can start a whole community of AI-powered gadget design. So what do you think? Was this eye-opening? Which AI-generated iPhone concepts were your favorite? And do you think AI will ultimately design the next iPhone or another smartphone? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I personally can't wait to see what other wild and futuristic concepts AI dreams up. This technology is moving so fast, who knows what we'll be capable of designing in just a few years. The only limit is our imagination. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of AI-powered design. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more fun and educational tech content. Until next time, stay curious and keep creating.